Welcome, today I'm showing you how to switch on or off screen touches into screen recording in your Samsung Galaxy M23. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find Advanced Features. Here find Screenshot and Screen Recorder option, and then, how you can see, on the bottom we got Screen Recorder block option. So last option, it's show taps and touches. So this position of switcher, it's turn off this option, and this activate this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.